السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أهلا وسهلا إلى مركز العلوم والحكمة Remote Study. Welcome to the fifth part of our lesson series from the book titled Arabic Language for Beginners. I am Mudaris Sulaiman Ali. Happy listening. We are going to learn from this lesson the basic use of numbers in Arabic from 11 to 20. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. المدرس والتلاميذ. المدرس والتلاميذ. The conversation between the teacher and the pupils. التلاميذ is the plural form of تلميذ. تلميذ مفرد. تلاميذ جمع. المدرس teacher. كم تلميذا في هذا الفصل؟ How many pupils are there in this class? كم تلميذا في هذا الفصل? How many pupils are there in this class? Now the answer Ahmad responding في هذا الفصل 11 تلميذا. في هذا الفصل 11 تلميذا. There are 11 pupils in this class. There are في هذا الفصل 11 تلميذا. There are 11 pupils in this class. Dealing with numbers in Arabic from 11 to 12, you must give 11 and 12 a special treatment. 11 and 12 are treated specially. What is the principle attached to 11 and 12? If what is being counted is mudhakkar, masculine, which means a name representing a male person or a male object, the two parts of the number must be mudhakkar, must be masculine, as we have it in ahada ashara. Ahada is mudhakkar and ashara is also mudhakkar, not asharata. So, and the term appearing after 11 and 12, the term appearing after 11 and 12 must be singular. The term must be singular, as we have it in tilmidhan. Tilmiz is mufrad, singular, and the last letter of the term must be marked with double fataha. I repeat, the last letter of the term appearing after the numbers 11 and 12 must be marked with double fataha, as we have it in tilmidhan. Not tilmidhun and not tilmizin. I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Al-Mudarris teacher. Kam kitaban indak? How many books do you have? Ya Hashim, Hashim. Kam kitaban indak? How many books do you have? Ya Hashim, Hashim. Hashim responding. Indi ithna ashara kitaban. I have 12 books. Bil-Lughatil-Arabiyya, in Arabic language. عندي 12 كتابا. I have 12 books باللغة العربية in Arabic language. So what is being counted? Kitab, that is مذكر. That is why the two sides of the number إثنى are مذكر. إثنى is مذكر and عشرة is also مذكر. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. المدرس teacher. كم دفتر عندك يا شعيب? كم دفتر عندك يا شعيب? However, in the case of numbers from 13 to 19, in the case of numbers from 13 to 19, if what is being counted is mudhakkar, the first part of the number will be muannas and the second part will be muzakkar. I repeat, if what is being counted is mudhakkar, the first part of the number will be mudhakkar, will be muannas, while the second part will be muzakkar. We are going to illustrate that using the following examples. Kam daftaran indak? How many notebooks do you have? Ya Shuaib, Shuaib. Now Shuaib responding. Indi thalathata ashara daftaran. Indi, I have. Thalathata ashara daftaran. I have 13 notebooks. The first part is thalathata, which is muannas with ta'un, and it must carry fataha. And the second part, ashara, which is muzakkar, because what is being counted is muzakkar, which is daftar, notebook. I hope you understand. and it must carry fatha. ثلاثة عشر, not ثلاثة عشر. I hope you understand. MashaAllah. المدرس teacher. كم قلما عندكم يا تلاميذ. كم قلما عندكم. How many pens do you have? يا تلاميذ. Pupils. Know the answer. التلاميذ. The pupils are responding. عندنا 14 قلما. The same principle is applicable. عندنا 14 قلما. We have 14 pens. المدرس teacher. كم مسجدا في هذه المدينة؟ كم مسجدا? How many mosques are there في هذه المدينة in this city? Know the answer. التلاميذ. Pupils. في هذه المدينة 15 مسجدا. في هذه المدينة 15 مسجدا. There are 15 mosques in this city. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. المدرس teacher. كم درسا في هذا الكتاب؟ كم درسا في هذا الكتاب? How many lessons are there in this book? Know the answer. في هذا الكتاب 16 درسا. في هذا الكتاب 16 درسا. There are 16 lessons in this book. المدرس teacher. كم فندقا في هذه القرية؟ كم فندقا في هذه القرية؟ كم فندقا? How many hotels are there في هذه القرية in this village? Know the answer. التلاميذ. The pupils are responding. في هذه القرية 17 فندقا. في هذه القرية 17 فندقا. There are 17 hotels in this village. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. المدرس teacher. كم مدرسا في هذه المدرسة؟ كم مدرسا في هذه المدرسة? How many teachers are there in this school? Remember that I told us in one of our previous discussion that kam, which means how many, the term appearing after kam must be singular, and the term must not have alifun and lamun at the beginning. Mudarrisan, not al-mudarris. Mudarrisan, not al-mudarris. And the last letter of the term must be marked with double fatha, as we have it in kam mudarrisan. Kam kitaban, how many books? Kam qalaman, how many pens? Kam mirsaman, how many pencils? So التلاميذ في هذه المدرسة 18 مدرسا. في هذه المدرسة 18 مدرسا. There are 18 teachers in this school. المدرس teacher. كم رجلا في ذلك البيت؟ كم رجلا في ذلك البيت? How many men are there in that house? How many men are there in that house? Now the answer. التلاميذ. The pupils are responding. في ذلك البيت 19 رجلا. في ذلك البيت 19 رجلا. There are 19 men in that house. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. المدرس teacher. كم إبريقا في هذا المسجد؟ كم إبريقا في هذا المسجد? How many kettles are there in this mosque? التلاميذ. Now the pupils are responding. في هذا المسجد 20 إبريقا. في هذا المسجد 20 إبريقا. There are 20 kettles in this mosque. في هذا المسجد 20 إبريقا. There are 20 kettles in this mosque. Remember, the case of 20 is different. So what is being counted does not have any grammatical effect on 20. Either 20, 30, 40, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 90, 90. So what is being counted does not have any grammatical effect on 20, 30, 40, and so on. So it doesn't change the form of the term being the number. So في هذا المسجد 20 إبريقا. There are 20 kettles in this mosque. Whether what is being counted is مذكر, masculine, or muannas, feminine. So it doesn't have any grammatical effects on 20. Either 20, 30, 40, and any other number like that. And any other number like that. So المدرس, the teacher. كم حصيرة في هذا المسجد? كم حصيرة في هذا المسجد? How many mats are there in this mosque? Now the answer, التلاميذ, the pupils are responding, في هذا المسجد 20 حصيرة. في هذا المسجد 20 حصيرة. There are 20 mats in this mosque. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. Do not forget to click the link below to download any of my books right there at the comment section. Like the video, share it, and hit the subscribe button below. مع السلامة وإلى اللقاء آخر.